What's up, guys? It is Gavin from Northland Dodge, and I'm here taking a look at the 2015 Dodge Durango. It is in white, it looks nice, and it has a V6 engine under the hood, so let's check it out. Alright, so taking a look at the key fob here, we got our unlock and our lock and our panic button. So let's unlock this and let's look inside. As you can see inside, we do have those powered locks and windows on there, as well as the power seat there. Alright, so this is a touch start, so we're just going to touch that guy, and it starts right up. Over here we do have our speedometer and odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. The controls are on the steering wheel here for the screen that has your speedometer there, and over here we do have our cruise control options. Taking a look in the center console here, we do have your media, your radio, your phone, all the fun stuff over there, and down here we do have the dual climate control, so that's super nice in the summer there. And down here we have an aux cord, USB cord, and SD card chip plug-in there. Alright, so coming around to the back here, open this guy up, and as you can see, same material in the back as in the front. Nice and spacious back here. You do have your climate there and a cup holder right here in the middle. Alright, coming all the way around to the trunk here, I'm just going to open this up, and in here you do got some storage in there. Also, these seats here can fold down. You just pull that guy there and push them forward. Again, on the other side, makes it very spacious back here, and then you can just pull this guy to pull them back up. And that does it for my walk around of the 2015 Dodge Durango. If you have more questions, come down and talk to our sales specialists here at Prince George Northland Dodge. And thanks for watching. Have a good day.